Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Suraksha, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, make sure to hit a subscribe button. It will mean the world to me. And as you guys read by the title, today we are going to do a Nykaa haul and a little bit of Miniso haul. And I got one thing from Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you everything about it. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first, let's get done with Miniso because I have very few items from Miniso. And I'm not going in any particular order. I'll just grab whatever comes in my hand. So the first thing that is in my hand is this nail paint from Miniso, and it's in the shade dark pink. It is very nice. I have used it once, but I'm not big fan of it because it will start chipping in a day or two. I was expecting much because it was for 90 rupees. So I was like, keep at least for a day or two में ही नहीं निकलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, मतलब थोड़ा टाइम तो रुकेगा. बट या इट इज अ नाइस शेड कि इफ आई एम गोइंग फॉर सम वेडिंग और समथिंग. तो या the next thing that I got from Miniso is my cotton pads. I always get my hands on these cotton pads because I'm a huge fan of these cotton pads because वो एकदम पतले नहीं है. इसमें three layers हैं, so they are really good. मतलब एक swipe में ही they will start removing my makeup, and if sometimes I want to remove my nail pen also, the one swipe is enough. It comes for it is 180 sheets का packet and it is very inexpensive. It is for 150 only. 180 sheets and 150 is wow. The thing that I got is this 4 face sheet mask. And I have heard mixed reviews about these masks, so I was like, let me try it by myself and then judge. So the only reason I got it was the packaging. I mean, how cute is the packaging? I was in love when I saw it. I was like, let me get all 4. They have 4 different they have only 4 in the range. I don't know what it is called. So yeah, and the first I got is rosemary. It is for smooth and nourishing skin. The next I got is orange blossom. It is for moisture and glow. The third I got is lavender. It is for youthful and radiant skin. I mean, look at the packaging. It looks so cute. And the last I got is rose, and it is for smooth and soft skin. And they were very inexpensive. I guess they were for 60 rupees. And look at the packaging. It is so soft and it is so cute. I was like, the next thing I got is this makeup base. As I told you that I have heard mixed reviews about the makeup as well. So I was like, let me just grab one thing and then I'll see. So this is what I got. Wait, let me show you how it looks. This is in the shade 01 white. This is how it looks from inside, and let me get my hands. It is a makeup base and it has a very shimmerish base, so it is good when I need glow from within. It is whitish, but I guess base hai to it won't matter that much. I hope you guys can see the glitter. And this one was for rupees, I guess 350 or 300. I don't remember. I'll just mention the prices in the link or over somewhere on the screen. So I'll just use it once or twice, then I'll tell you guys about it, how I find it. And the last thing I got from Miniso is this oval mirror. I went to buy this mirror only, and then I got other few stuff also. So I got this mirror. I really needed one mirror for shooting videos, makeup videos, because I wanted सामने mirror हो तो it will be easy. So it comes mirror comes like this, and the others is the stand. So I'll just put here and I'll be good to go. and the main and the amazing part is this is movable, so however I want it, how low I want it, it will be easy for me to do it. And this one was very inexpensive. I was like I was searching mirrors for my vanity since a very long time, and all the mirrors that I always saw were 900 about 1000, and this one was only 250. So I was like, yeah, Miniso is something you should always check on if you want something, if you need something, because the prices they have, the prices they offer is amazing. So I'm done with Miniso. Now I'm moving forward to Amazon. I only got one thing from Amazon. The only thing I got from Amazon is this AirPods from Boat, AirDoves from Boat, kind of similar to AirPods, and this is how they look. And from inside they look like this. Pretty na? And they were on a very youth sale. They originally retail for 5,999, that is 6,000, and I got it for 1,500. Oh my god, I was like, and मेरे headphones already bolt खा चुकी थी, तो I really was in search of some nice headphones or earphones. So when I saw them on sale, I was like, ले लो, जल्दी ले लो. 1,500 for these. I have been using this for over a month. It has been over a month that I have been using these headphones, whatever, AirPods, AirDoves, and I totally love it because इतना झंझट कुछ नहीं होता. So nice. And उसके बाद मैंने कुछ टाइम बाद देखा था, they were on a sale for 1,200 or 1,300. I was like, अरे यार, तब I was like, but ठीक है, 1,500 was also a nice deal, but they are always on sale on Amazon, so you should give it a try, and it comes in different colors also. I personally chose black. Now let's move on to Nykaa, because I have quite a lot of stuff from Nykaa, and the first thing I have from Nykaa is this hand cream. It is Body Shop ka hand cream. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I am using it. It is really nice hand cream. Like बिल्कुल भी हाथ sticky नहीं लगते, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि you have some moisture in your hands. You are good to, if you just apply it once and you are good to go. They really make your hand really soft. So I really liked it. They are pretty nice, and this is for 395. The next thing I got is this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream, and I use it as a moisturizer, and I really love it. I have seen Maldika Satlani used to rave about this cream, and I got inspired from her, and I have been using this cream since then, and this is my third tub, and I love it. Oh my god, it is such a nice cream. ये छोटा टब है. I order small tubs only. I don't go for बड़ा वाला tub directly. Yeah, I like it a lot. It is for 150, I guess. Yeah, it is for 159. Sorry. The next thing from Nykaa is this Nykaa's nail paint. It is very pretty shade. It is in the shade 54 Lavender Buttercream. I really wanted a nudish nail paint also, because हर बार थोड़ी शादी पे जाना होता है, डेली यूज के लिए भी चाहिए थी. तो I was like, I don't remember the price of this, but it was around 245 or 200. I don't remember, but as I said, I'll mention it. Next thing that comes into my hand is this Swiss Beauty के liquid eyeshadows, and I got all 6 of them. So the first shade is this. The shade name is Molten Midnight, and I have heard really great reviews about this. Oh, pretty. Yeah. So that was the line. This is the next shade. This is in the shade Smoky Stone. Oh, such a pretty shade. I really liked it. It is very nice. The next shade is this, in the shade Gold Goddesses. I'll show you the swatches. See, it is very pretty. Personally, अभी तक तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. this is next, and this is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. I have heard really amazing reviews about this one. The only reason I got all of them was कि मुझे ये try करना था. I was like, let me get all 6 of them. This is the shade. By mistake I ordered 2 similar shades. I guess they only have 5 shades, so I by mistakenly ordered 2 similar shades, and the shade is Gold Goddesses. I ordered by mistake twice. Okay, I guess they have 5 shades. Or by mistakenly I have missed one. This is the last shade, and this is my personal favorite, Champagne. I really liked it. It's so pretty. You can see the swatches.
They are so pretty, you guys. I love them.
So all of the Swiss Beauty eyeshadows I got for $1.99 each, and I ordered one extra by mistake, one similar shade by mistake. I think they have only 5 shades, or if they have 6, I guess I missed one. So yeah, they were for $1.99 each. So the next thing I got is Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. It is my favorite concealer. Maybelline concealers are amazing. They legit feel like they are of drugs. They don't belong to drugstore. They have really nice the coverage, and you can see I have used almost half already, and this is my 5th or 6th bottle. I am in love with this particular concealer. It is amazing. It is for $6.50 I guess, but it is not always, but it is on sale on Nykaa, and I got it for $5.20. It is really amazing, and I am in the shade, I don't remember, the shade 130 medium. So the next thing I got is Maybelline's Fit Me Compact. The reason I got compact is I have a oily skin type, so whenever I go out, my face will start creasing after a couple of hours, so I need to set my face. So the reason is that. So this is how it looks. So I am in the shade light beige, and this is my shade. So yeah, and this is for $1.99, but I got it for $170 or $150.